What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We're back here in my 2006 Nissan 350z, and we're headed over to another Twisted Society car meet. They actually moved the car meets from at night now because it's been getting really cold lately. It's been seriously down in like the 30 degrees. So they've moved them to the afternoon. It's from 2 to 4 p.m. now. So we're actually meeting Steve and Isaac from the previous episodes over at the car wash right now. We're gonna rinse the cars down and then we're gonna cruise over there and see what awesome cars they have. Check it out, you guys. I gotta show you this. All right, I washed the car yesterday, so it's not terribly dirty. I think it looks pretty good actually. But basically, the car wash is right down the street over there. So we're gonna meet them over there right now. I've kind of just been waiting here. I'm running a little early, so. And of course, we got the strawberry Dr. Pepper because we had to stop at Jack in the Box because it's strawberry Dr. Pepper, of course. All right, guys, so they're gonna drive by any second now, so I'm actually gonna head over that way a little bit and hopefully link up with them. There's 3 of us, and there's no way there's gonna be 3 open spots at the car wash right now, so we might have to do a little bit of waiting. I might not even wash mine now that I'm thinking about it. I don't know, it depends. If they're doing the 20-minute wash, then I could totally jump in for like 1 minute and do a quick spot free rinse because we did a 20-minute car wash yesterday with the foam and everything, so it's not too bad. So we're gonna meet them over there right now, and we'll see you guys in a few. All right, pulling in. Let's see if they're over here. Oh, they are over here. Sweet. We got Steve in the bay. We got Isaac's car right here. We'll just pull up behind Isaac. Yo, we'll just wait it out. So like I guess was gonna happen, there are no bays open right now, so we're just gonna wait it out. It's only 1:20 and the show starts at 2 o'clock, so we're running kind of early, so yep, check it out. We got Steve, his SI, and we got Isaac, his SI. It's the gang. Update, it's been 10 minutes, haven't moved. Everyone is still in the bay. Yeah. Oh, it's happening. All right. Dang, these people taking forever, man. That's the gang. Random lady. We're in it to win it. Let's get it. Check it out, you guys. We got Steve's Civic SI. He's grabbing some paper towels. I forgot my rags, so he's gonna let me use some of these, which is awesome. Thank you.
No problem, dude. So nice.
Sheesh. Yes.
Let's go, baby.
The Civics in the red. What's up, man? No, it looks good. What's up, dude? Good to see you. Alright guys, so the cars are clean. We're headed out now. It was 1:22 a second ago and it's already 2 o'clock. So time is flying by, but we're on our way over there now. Shouldn't take too long to get there. It's probably about 15 minutes away. And we're gonna see what awesome cars there are today. Hopefully there's some pretty good ones, so. Oh dang, we're lining it up 3 ways. Steve's going down. That was good. All right. So we're headed over to the car show. Oh, I'm getting over, Isaac. Thanks, brother. Dang, I'm not gonna lie, that was a pretty good race. Steve had me there for a second. We were like neck and neck, I'm not even gonna lie. It was pretty awesome. All right, so I'm looking in the mirror, and I think Steve got stopped at the light back there. We're gonna go slow. I think Isaac made it. I think he's behind me actually right now, so. All right guys, Steve was able to catch up to us. He's right behind us right now with Isaac, and we're gonna head over to this park. I've never been here. This is the first time at this specific location. It's always interesting how the layout of these car meets are, you know? They're either set up really good or they're like test runs, and we end up not going back there again. So we'll see how this one goes. I've never been here, but it seemed promising on the map. All right guys, we made it over here. We got some speed bumps, and we're not scraping. We're not scraping, they're friendly speed bumps. Just saw a friend from high school. We're gonna definitely go say hi to him. So he's in an M3 BMW, which is pretty sweet. All right guys, we're gonna park, find a spot at least, and we're gonna get out and walk around. We made it. There it is. We got the red, white, red over here.
Supreme Oreo.
Yes, Supreme Oreo. Exactly. Dang.
Oh man.
That's pretty clean.
That's pink. That's awesome.
Dang, that's nice actually. Dude, I'm not even gonna lie. Dude, the eyeballs, just driving through. I mean, you feel like you're not supposed to be there almost. Like, everyone's like, what's this guy doing here? You know, but like, everyone's like just admiring the whip, but it's just.
That's kind of like the stigma.
This is the vibes. It's so weird.
It's okay.
Dang, man.
Like if you don't have the Subaru, you're like, no, out of here.
You guys wanna walk down and see what there is? Those are the 37s? Dang, bro.
I want those wheels.
Oh, yeah, Ace knows what's up. Oh, Miata. Yes, sir. You gotta see the back of this thing. Sheesh.
One day.
I thought this was a 32. This is a 33.
Oh, look at Charizard.
Dude, the gold accents are sick. Yeah, I like these wheels. I don't even know what those are. Yeah, the Mark 5 Supra. It's growing on me.
Mark 5?
Yeah.
It's a bit of a departure from the old Supra. It's
Yeah.
like a 20-year gap.
In like 20 years from now, they're gonna look back at that Supra and be like, that thing was ahead of its time. Kind of like how we look at our Supra. Oh, shoot. Steve, that thing is sick.
This is what I'm talking about. I have a Type R behind me.
Dang. I would slam the Z. No, yeah, it's bagged for sure. I mean,
maybe the fitment's just really good.
If that's not bagged, I'll be surprised, but it might not be actually. That's a lot of air. Dang. Isaac, did you race that guy?
You race the guy?
You think you'd win?
No.
I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty good looking wing. That gen, I think they did a pretty good job. Oh, you're good. Oh, there's 3 shitty. I know if you see the green Jenny. The green 350Z's rolling close. Oh, they're parking at an angle? Oh, see, they're cool, man. They're cool. They run this thing. They don't run it, but, you know, I follow both of them, so. Oh, shoot. The 124. Spider. Sheesh. It's the bros. The green bros. Dang. Dude, those headlights are clean, too. Dang, bro. Oh, shoot. It's that guy.
That was one that we saw at local car scene.
Dude. That's like literally race car for the street. You know, there's some taste out here, I'm not gonna lie, you guys. And the race car for the street pulls it right into his living room right when he gets home. That's what I would do. It is so bright I can't see anything. Ah! I swear I just gained like 12 years worth of wrinkles in one day. Dang. Jesus. We got a club member on some pretty sick wheels, actually. Later, brother. Oh, yeah. Yo. Later, Ace. Now I can get a good thumbnail. Sweet. Yada gang. Later, brother. Alright guys, I'm probably going to end today's video here. I hope you enjoyed it. We literally outlasted everyone at the car show. We were having a great time talking to everyone. So thank you guys so much for joining us in today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. We're posting videos like this all the time in 2022. My goal is 100 videos this year, so try and hold me to that in the comment section. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Hit the subscribe button like I said, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Later that same evening.
We got a good stretch of road here. Oh. Got a 350. Yes. I think I'm gonna throw this at the end of today's video, you guys. So if you guys are interested in more night stuff, let me know. I don't know how well the GoPro captures it, but man, Steve's car is so nice. Look at this thing. 2020 Honda Civic Si. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, really. I mean, that is like clean. All right, headed to Walmart, gonna check the Hot Wheels. I just wanted to throw this little piece at the end of the video. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.